Keto Homestead with Jess. Today we are going to make my kale smoothie. So into this blender I'm going to put 4 strawberries. I'm going to do about a tablespoon of stevia, a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, and a cup of water. And for video purposes, I will measure the kale and spinach out. So the spinach, I do 2 cups of spinach, which is a full measuring cup here. Some of you might ask why I might do this. So there's 2 cups. And the reason is, when you're on a ketogenic lifestyle, the suggested amount of vegetables is 5 to 7 cups of vegetables. That is a lot of vegetables. And I did in the beginning of my journey try to do that amount of vegetables. It's impossible. It is really hard to chew that many vegetables. So I came up with this recipe so that I wouldn't have to chew that much. So that's 4 cups of kale. That's a total 6 cups of vegetables so far. And I think I can get 1 more cup in there. Now I'm making a mess. Alright. Scrunch that down. I'll get these bags out of our way. And I'll go ahead and get that blended up. I'll go ahead and add some ice to that. I'm going to check it, and it's still just a little bit too runny for me, so I'm going to add a little bit more ice. Just a couple pieces. always put a straw down in there because sometimes it creates air bubbles, and I want those air bubbles gone before I try to pour it and make a mess. So just pour it in. The colder the better, I think. And this gives us a half a tumbler full, maybe a little over half a tumbler full each. Now, my husband doesn't drink this all the time, so usually I would drink a whole blender full myself, but we're trying to get his vitamins and minerals up right now because he has been sick, so he's getting one tonight. He'll get a little bit less than me, because I really enjoy these. Alright. So there you have it, my kale smoothie. Now the only suggestion I would make is, I drink this every night. It's perfectly fine to have this with your dinner every single night. The only suggestion I would recommend is do not eat a cabbage dinner with the kale and spinach. And the reason for that is because too much cruciferous vegetables will cause bloat and gas, and yeah, you'll be in a lot of pain. So I would recommend not doing that. But any other night, I would drink this every single night with dinner. Alright, thank you for visiting Keto Homestead with Jess. And until next time, stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye.